we go. Got another one of these. I had one a while back. It's a Coach Gun 20 gauge. Got rid of it. Sold it. Got one at 12. So and then I was like, you know what? I'd really like to have another one at 20 again. So what did I do? Got one in 20. There we go. These are the Chinese knockoffs. There you go. That's it. Nothing too complicated. It's a 20 gauge. It's a Coach Gun. Came from China. Working hammers on it. 2 triggers, so you can pull the left if you want to pull it before the right, which I always like because you can have a slug in the right and buckshot in the left. So if you got, you got something you need to take a shot with buckshot on, you got that option to go ahead and pull that barrel first before the other one. But other than that, these are pretty good shotguns. A lot of people say you can't hunt with them. I have. A lot of people say you can't hunt birds with them. I have. It's all in your choice. I like them. I like the working hammers. I like the side-by-side action. It's just a good little shotgun. These aren't expensive either compared to some of the ones you can find out there. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Right barrel. Right barrel works. How about that good old left barrel? And there we go.